Hi, I'm Eddie Oberoi.
And I'm Alia Modi.
Alia, the home prices have gone up so much. It's quite amazing, isn't it?
It is.
It really is. In 6 months, we've seen appreciations like 20 to 30% in some neighborhoods. Now, it's hard to find a home around $1 million with good schools, good neighborhood, good community, and upgraded home. What do you think about this one?
This is great, Eddie. It's a 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath townhome. It has a beautiful view, like you have a lake in front of your patio.
That's right.
It's absolutely spectacular. Let's take a look. Welcome to 3593 Jasmine Circle. This beautiful Evergreen Hills townhome with extraordinary lake views is located in the desirable Jasmine Heights neighborhood. This is an upgraded 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath unit which overlooks the lovely community lake with breathtaking sunset views. The interior features a contemporary stainless steel kitchen, new modern custom tiled fireplace, gleaming maple hardwood floors, a laundry room with newer front-loading washer-dryer, and a patio which is accessed from the dining room that literally sits on the lake. The light and airy master bedroom suite overlooks the lake and comes with custom shelving in the walk-in closet. The second bedroom also overlooks the lake with loads of natural sunlight shining through both of the rooms. The third bedroom has laminate flooring and could be perfect for a home office or a guest room. There is a large 2-car garage with shelving, perfect for storage. Enjoy a short stroll to parks, trails, Evergreen Village Square, the farmers market, the new city library, and highly rated K through 12 schools. The complex comes complete with a clubhouse, pool, and spa for you and your family to enjoy. Thank you so much for taking a tour of our beautiful home.
As you saw, it's a gorgeous property, and if you have any questions, that's what we're here for. Reach out to us anytime. We'll talk to you soon.